Hello guys, I'm Richie Sonaji and it feels super amazing to have you here. Today I'm going to be showing you how to install XAMPP local server on your computer, right? So also I'm going to show you how to further install my PHP admin, my SQL, and how to install WordPress on your local host in this video. So if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, what are you waiting for? Hit the subscription button and whenever I make awesome videos like the one you're about to watch, you'll be the first to watch and take action. So now that you're done doing that, let's go into today's video. First off, to install XAMPP, what we're going to do, let's just Google XAMPP download. So for Windows 10, so if you are using Windows 10, Windows 8, Windows 7 or Windows 11, this is going to work, right? So this is the official XAMPP website. So I'm going to drop the link in the description section. It's apachefriends.org, right? So we're going to click on download XAMPP Apache Friends. So this is the website. So here we are going to install the latest version of XAMPP, right? So here the latest version is version 8.2. So my system is 64 bits operating system. So now it's system architecture. So like when you go to the site, it automatically detects your system architecture, right? So mine is 64 bits. So what we are going to do here now, if you are using a Linux system, what you do, you just go down here to install Linux, and if you are using macOS, Macintosh operating system, you can also download from the link. So like this is going to work, this tutorial is going to work for Linux, Windows and macOS respectively. So here what we're going to do, we'll click on, so this is the highest one here. So we are downloading the recent version, so version 8.16. so here click on download. So it's about 164 megabytes. Yeah, so I'm going to hit start download and just wait until it downloads, right? Okay, so we're almost done with the download process. Here we go. Okay, so it's downloaded. So let's open the folder containing our downloaded document, right? So here this is it, right? We close this. So this is XAMPP. So the next one, this is how to install the XAMPP, right? So so this on Windows 10, so right click on it, then you click on run as an administrator. Now then allow permission. So this one thing that I want you to take note of, like by default, right, like XAMPP will refuse to install on your laptop. So this is what you do. So it's loading the installation files. So let us give it some time to do that. Voila, so here we go, right? So good. Now you get this warning message, right? That important because an activated user control is on your system. Function of XAMPP are possibly restricted. So to remove this restriction is super easy. So what we are going to do now, we are going to now there are two ways of doing this. Now I'm going to show you the easiest way, right? Now we are going to deactivate the user account control and configuration, right? So to just do that, right, so we are going to click OK. Now to do that, so here now this is what we want to install here. Now we are going to install server. So my SQS server, so FileZilla FTP, file transfer protocol servers. We are going to do that in case we want to, when we install our WordPress, to send our website to go live, right? Then Mercury Maze server, then Tomcat, then my PHP, Perl, and the rest. My PHP admin. So we are going to install all this. So let's go. We create directory there, then yeah, hit next. So xampp is installing. So for those, like, you got that notification, so my laptop will automatically fix that. But if yours persists, what you do, you go to UAC while it's installed. Let me show you how to do that. So you go to UAC, so it's changed. So here under our settings, you see change user account control. So we click on control panel, right? Then you see what we are going to do is that we are going to modify this, right? So you say we should notify, we get by default, you say we should the computer is set on notify me when apps try to make changes to my computer. So what we are going to do, we are going to put it on never notify, so that it will allow xampp install, right? So it's very imperative that you do this. If not, like most times, you are going to get installation errors. So click on OK, and everything will be fine. So just click on OK, and you see that your xampp will run smoothly. So let's just allow xampp install, right? Okay, congratulations guys. So we've successfully installed xampp, right? So let's launch xampp and see how it looks, right? So okay guys, so upon successful completion, you are going to see something like this. So this is xampp control panel, right? So to confirm that your installation was truly successful, what you are going to do, you are going to start this. You are going to click on start. So to start the Apache, then you're also going to start MySQL. So when you click on admin, it's supposed to take you to the Apache is supposed to take you to your localhost dashboard. Then this is supposed to take you my PHP admin dashboard. So guys, when you see this, then you know that you've done the right thing, right? You successfully installed the xampp localhost on your Windows PC. So thanks for watching. I'll be dropping the next video on how to install WordPress Joomla on your local host, right? So I'm going to drop the link in the description. So thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and share this video to those that you feel this video is going to be helpful to them. Till next time, keep loving riches. Cheers.